Welcome to Polar Grammar class. Today we have past continuous tense. How to form past continuous tense? Was or were plus ing form of the verb. Was or were plus ing form of the verb. If the subject is singular, we use was plus ing form of the verb. If the subject is plural, we use were plus ing form of the verb. In the case of you, we use were plus ing form of the verb. For example, he was playing, she was watching TV, they were singing, you were listening the music. Now we can check when to use past continuous tense. To denote an action that was in progress at a definite point of time in the past. For example, at 8 a.m. yesterday, I was sleeping. At 4 p.m. yesterday, he was talking to telephone. Okay. Two examples. At 8 a.m. yesterday, I was sleeping. At 4 p.m. yesterday, he was talking to telephone. To denote an action that was in progress at a definite point of time. Here mentioned a definite point of time, that is 8 a.m. yesterday and at 4 p.m. yesterday. To denote an action that was in progress at a definite point of time in the past. In that cases, we use present past continuous tense. In that cases, we use past continuous tense. Then another occasion, we use past continuous tense. It is often used together with the past tense to show that one activity was in progress while another took place. For example, he was sleeping when the police came to arrest him. Please look here. Was plus ing form of the verb. Here we used past continuous tense and here also we used a simple past tense. It is often used together with a simple past tense to show one activity was in progress while another took place. Here one activity took place and another activity was going on or continuing. In this case we use past continuous tense. He was sleeping when the police came to arrest him. It was raining. When she came in. Here was plus ing form of the verb, that is past continuous tense, and here simple past. It is often used together with a past tense. Here the past tense to show that one activity was in progress. It was raining. Here we used past continuous tense. Then now we can discuss the occasions when to use past continuous tense. First one, to denote an action that was in progress at a definite point of time in the past. For example, at 8 a.m. yesterday I was sleeping. At 4 p.m. yesterday he was talking on the telephone. Another occasion, it is often used together with the past tense to show that one activity was in progress while another took place. Example, he was sleeping when the police came to arrest him. It was raining when she came in. Okay.